Hey guys, it's Sam with WTI. I want to tell you all about this Dyson vacuum head. I'm sorry mine is so dirty. It has been well loved in our family. I have a 2-year-old, so there's lots of messes. But the reason why I love this vacuum vacuum head is it is so easy to use. You can use this on hardwood floor, you can use it on carpets. They do have a separate carpet tool, but we find that it works very well on carpets as well. It snaps right into a Dyson vacuum. We have the Dyson V10 Absolute, and it just snaps right in, and it is a wonderful vacuum head. It has spinning, and it has a little lip here to catch any debris. It is great. It works on anything, so it just is very helpful in our family, especially with a 2-year-old. So if you are researching Dyson vacuums and you're looking into this vacuum head, I definitely give it a recommendation, and that is my point of view.